everybody! My name is Patrick, and you are watching pwobeatles for some reason. And today, I have a package. Not just any package. This package has the Black Album by Weezer. Came out last year, 2020. This is a sealed, brand new copy. Let's open it. Should have been more prepared, but this plastic opens pretty easily. And there is still a little sticker that you have to take off. Let me just take it off real quick. So, yeah. If you couldn't tell from my last video, Weezer is one of my favorite bands of all time. And I already have 3 other albums. I have Blue, Green, and Red. And Black is my newest album. I'm going to show it off in my CD collection next month for April 2020. So yeah, this sticker is pretty hard to remove. But then again, I'm not good at removing stickers. Especially the paper ones. They always peel off. And then they leave the paper in the gook. But as you can see, I successfully removed the entire sticker. Maybe there's some on the back. Yeah, there is. I'm going to have to peel that off later. But this might have actually like booklet. It looks like it does. The other 3 Weezer albums I have don't have booklets. They have just like a little picture. But as you can see, you can't really see them because it's all black. But you could see the 4 is from Weezer. Rich Cuomo, Pat Wilson, Brian Bell, and Scott Schreiner. And in here is, I guess, lyrics? I can't really see them that well, though. And then, like, a picture. I'm gonna have to look at it in a little bit and, like, show you what it is. And you can't really see it on camera, but the disc itself has the Weezer logo and the track listing. And the back also has the track listing and the Weezer logo and the Weezer text. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video of me unboxing the Black Album by Weezer. It came out in 2019. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to hear it. Bye.